Hi guys, we are now with the Elna Supermatic 3R and we're going to cleaning. So in order to cleaning, take the pressure foot and take, see if the line is good. Angela has to do this. Take the needle. This machine was in a basement for a long time. I already cleaned some part outside, but the important thing is show you the cleaning for the principal parts. So the machine is working right now, but can working better in this way. First, this is the tension, the tension here. You can take a pantyhose, something like that, and you can pass over here and over here. I do already, and I tell you, I take a lot of dash. So, doing this, and we're going to open in the back by push this part here. You see? Okay, this part, push. There you go. There are a bobbin. The bobbin you can use. Normally, these machines coming with this. This little thing normally is in here and got like that. Here, next to the bar, but sometimes that when we pull that is loose, so the thinness is working like that. Just you put the circle part, you put that part here, and you can start the bobbin. Don't do so hard, just like that. This is the bobbin. If you don't have that, you can do with a little screwdriver too. Okay. Now we're going to take this other part. So with the little screwdriver, the screwdriver, and one of the corners, this corner here, trying to put more. Okay, this part coming like that. You see? See if we can do for this part too. Here in this corner, pull. Not working in this part. Need to be in the for the right hand. Here you pull like that, and it coming. So looking all that dirty, you can see there. Oh God. Well, it's so dirty. As you can see, looking all this, and the machine is working because it's a good machine, but you can help yourself with something and take that one day when you don't have really too much to do, or when you feel yourself for doing with your machines. Please look in all this, and it's working incredible. I think that was without cleaning for ages. This is not take a lot of time. just doing that, you know. So I want to show you how many. And between the teeth, this part, you need to make sure they all of that. That made the machine running better. That get the fabric better, and the stitch is going to be better. So please, please, cleaning your machine, and don't throw, because the machines are good. These machines actually had the best mechanism to work. I really love. And this is between the teeth, all this dirty between the teeth don't going to produce a good stitches. Sometimes it produce a lot of mistakes, and maybe you thinking, oh, my machine is damaged. No, it's just things for cleaning. Days when, you know, if you really don't want to do nothing special, just staying home, well, do this with the beautiful machines. They are so good machines, incredible. Looking all that. There are more there. After I'm going to pass my vacuum. You know me, I bought a small micro vacuum, for say something, that connecting with my normal vacuum, and that helped me a lot too to cleaning. When you see, you help yourself with a lamp or something for checking. That's too much. Now, you're going to pass your vacuum. I had another videos with another similar Elna sewing machine, and I cleaning too. There are some few differences, but more in the features. This part is almost the same. You want to see the other, subscribe to my videos and you can find. Okay, now you're going to hear a lot of noise. If you want, put the volume down or something, because it's a little annoying, but I need to do this in order to clean it. If I connect in the vacuum, you know it's not going to work. Yes, guys. But it's the best way I find to clean my machines. And also because dealers doesn't want to deal with these machines, is not all the dealers, but the majority, because they are old and maybe they want we buy a new one. But I really love these old machines, and for that I like to clean it myself and investigate how to do that. Okay, now doing. Okay, when you finish to do that, I think I'm going to take a little time, and you can clean in the metal parts. The metal you can clean in like this, a little alcohol in your hand here, pass for the alcohol and cleaning that metal, and that is going to get whatever corrosion, or just for cleaning. You can do that. You do that one time in a year or something, and your machines, they're going to appreciate that really. After you pass for all the part of the metal part, you will wait a little bit until all is really dry. But you know, alcohol is evaporate so fast. It means it's not really up in time. Just by the time you finish one part, the other is already dry. You see over here, there are more. You need to take all that is hiding. You see where it was hiding? I think can be a mouse. Yes, guys. God bless us for this. This is a beautiful hobby. No being something wrong. This is, for me, is one of the best hobbies in life, to help you also to pass the time, enjoyable. And you're going to realize when you're cleaning your own machine how good it is, how you feel the machine. So grateful. It's like when God do something beautiful for us, like I always He do. We are so grateful for that. We acting better all the time. The same happen with the machines. They like this cleaning. After you finish all the cleaning, you want to lubricate the machine. Before I continue, I tell you, the oil for machines, you use one drop there in the center, one drop in the center of the bobbin area, the shadow. There are a little red mark is there. In all the center, you're going to put one drop of oil. Another in here, you see the red area there. And you see the hole here and the hole here. There can be a drop of oil. Just one. You don't need to put a lot. Just with one and the machine is going to work. For put again this, you use, put the plate, needle plate. You see there are more dirty. The needle plate need to be cleaning too. For the two parts. First, you're going to see the numbers need to be like I can read. Forward, pull, and you push. Okay, push, and it's all. Here it's like that. Now we're going to see the top of the machine. So this just going to unscrew this one, the big one here, close to the tension, this one, or to that hook here, and the other is next to the bobbin winder, but no the bobbin winder here. This one is this one, that means it's next to the cant area. That one screw, and this big one here. That if you don't, you can do sometimes, but now it's because I'm going to make a bin cleaning. When you normally use sew, you can put regularly, it depends how much you use your machine. The oil go in the red marks. You don't need to open, you just need to put the oil in these red areas. But now, because this machine is too much time in basement, need to be really super cleaning for it start to run again. You just checking how looks the machine. You can understand your machine. Don't get scared. I remember my first time, and I opened one just because something fall. I don't remember what fall, because I didn't have the spool pin and something fall there, and I needed to open. Oh my God, I thought I going to damage the machine, but no worry. If you follow this, nothing is damaged. Nothing is damaged. You're going to get the machine cleaning. These areas, because it's really close, don't have like a dust, but with a little oil you can pass for all the metal, and you cleaning that. And after, we can put the oil. There are parts really essential to lubricate for the machine running really good. You see how much it is with a little alcohol. It's in this way because the idea is not get all wet. Just the sweat cotton there, cleaning the bar. Wherever you can reach, you can clean it. There, you can reach that. There are like something. I think it's a lot of oil there. It's good for a long time. So you just clean. That not do nothing. That I don't know what. Sometimes people put too much oil in the machines. You don't need a lot of oil, just a little. everything is accomplished there very well to tell you that it is okay. I can see a lot of those there. Again, a little vacuum. Okay, ready? And now you're going to put the drop oil in these parts. In order to continue cleaning I don't going to put the oil real, but the normal parts you're going to put oil is. You see how I move this? All the mechanisms. You see how I move? Starting here. We're going to put a draw oil there. There. You see? And where is the bar? Coming here, and you put oil in here, and the little R. There, and the R. This is how it looks. And this part too. In this and in this part, this part, this here, this part, and if you see over there, I think there are a bar going for the needle. Is there, okay, yes. In that bar, you're going to put a drop of oil. This is all what you need. And cleaning very well. It's not just cleaning, like I say, oh, using here and it's all. We need to lubricate machines for working for life, okay? When you're going to finish, you just pull again. How you find? It's like that. This open part come here. That go there. You see, it's all the same shape. Close the machine. And it's all. This is the reverse. All. I had normally when I'm going to do this, it's good just let the machine in a straight stitch. Wherever left, but straight. Okay? It's all, guys. I hope you doing in your machines too. God bless you. If you have any comments to improve for this cleaning these machines, please, you can make your comments. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless all the things you do about this hobby. And please continue pray for the world. Bye.